Hey guys, so today I wanted to show you the latest tool we've just released on our website, which is a meeting room builder tool, which essentially gives you the ability to customize the meeting room technology fitted in your space based on the size of your space, the needs of your organisation. So the first thing you're going to want to do is head on over to damedia.co.uk, which is our website. And on this top bar here, if you hover over what we do and scroll down to meeting rooms and click on that. Just wait for this to load, and then once it's loaded you should be greeted with a page like this. If you scroll down you can see the little bit of blurb about actually what we do in meeting room solutions, and then just underneath that is a button that says build my meeting room quote. Now if you click on this you will be redirected in a new tab to our brand new meeting room builder tool, and it looks just like this. So the first thing you're going to want to do is get started. Once you click on this, you'll be asked 8 questions. Your answer to these 8 questions will then determine what quote you shall receive. So let's go through those 8 questions together now. So I'm going to fill this out as if I'm trying to kit out a huddle room with the best solution. So what's the capacity of my room? Well, I've just said I want to do a huddle room, so we'll do 1 to 4 people. Then you choose the layout of your room. So as mine is a huddle room, it is the smallest one here, as you can see, 4 tables and chairs. The numbers of windows in my room. Now this is important because it enables us to recommend potential upgrades of cameras or anything like that. But I'm going to say for now that there's only 1 window in my meeting room. What is my ceiling type? Again, this is important because when we're recommending microphones, we don't want to have it echoey. Now if you've got an exposed ceiling type, echo could be an issue, which is when we'd then recommend specific microphones and speakers and maybe even some acoustic panelling. So I'm going to say for now though that my meeting room ceiling is a solid ceiling. So what's my current setup? I already have a system I'd like to change or enhance, or this is my first setup. This just helps us know that if you're used to using a meeting room system or if this is your first one. What screen type do I need? So if you already have screens within your meeting room, you may wish to use those again. Or maybe you want an upgrade, or maybe you don't have screens at all. So I'm going to say that I do not have a screen. What systems do we use? Now this is just basically asking you, what do you use? Do you want to bring your own device system where you can use all of these systems, or are you specifically Zoom, Teams or another system? For now I'm going to say I want a bring your own device. I'd also like you to quote for, so this is the bit where you add your optional extras. So we're already going to quote you for the meeting room solution, so now it's your choice whether you want to be quoted for anything here. So I want to be quoted for service and support, a room booking system, and maybe some directional speakers. When is my install? So do you want it right now? Do you want it in the next 3 months? Or are you just shopping for prices at the minute? So at the minute, I'm just shopping for prices, so I'm going to set 3+ months. And send me some pricing, please. So we can send you a quote for an outright purchase. We can quote you for AV as a service, which allows you to pay for your solution on a monthly basis, or lease pricing. You can select all of these, 2 of these, or just 1. I just want an outright purchase price for now. And then is there anything you'd like to add? So do you have any requirements that maybe we didn't cover on the questions that you'd like to add? Or do you have any questions? So now, for now though, I'm just going to leave this blank. So I'm going to say nothing else to add. And then we'll put a nice thank you on there. Submit. You'll then be directed to this bit, which just needs you to put in your details so we can send you the quote. So for now, I'm just going to fill that out. And then let's press view results. So once you've done that, you'll be redirected to this page, which thanks you and lets you know your quote is on the way, but also gives you some useful links to look at in the meantime whilst you wait. Some of them, what is AV as a service, more about our AV support contracts, and some useful blog posts that will give you a little bit more insight onto the products that we offer. But now if I head on over to my emails, once you've filled it out, you will also receive an email just like this, which will give you a brief overview of your answers and allows you to just double check them, and if you have anything you'd like to add, anything you'd like to change, you can pop us an email back and we can amend that on your quote. So that is our brand new meeting room builder tool, making it that little bit easier for you to get a quote for your new meeting room solutions. I'll leave a link in this post for you to go and check it out and build your meeting room quote now. Thank you.